Hello-Arab News. Latest evening news of the 21st of March 2023. The moon of Ramadan has not been seen in Saudi Arabia and Emirates. The first fast will be on Thursday. No moon was seen anywhere in Saudi Arabia on Tuesday, March 21st. Wednesday, March 22nd is the 30th of Shaban and Thursday is the 1st of Ramadan. According to Urgent and Lesson, Huda Sadir and Tamir observatories in Riyadh region announced that the moon was not visible on Tuesday. Also, the committee in the United Arab Emirates has announced that the Ramadan moon was not sighted on Tuesday, March 21st. Thursday, March 23rd will be the first fast. Earlier, Abdullah Al-Qudiri, an expert in astronomy and a member of the local sighting crescent committee, said that the crescent will set before sunset on Tuesday. According to him, there was no possibility of seeing the moon today in most of the Islamic countries on Tuesday. The moon of Ramadan has not been seen in Saudi Arabia and Emirates. The first fast will be on Thursday. Thank you very much for listening to the news. Inshallah, see you very soon and with the latest news.